Hey, welcome back to Rust Worn Home Garage. I'm making a little short here. I've come down and I've been driving by this old vehicle for a few years, and I thought, man, you know what? I'm gonna stop and take a look and see if they will sell this old rig. Why I need it, I don't know. But hey, it's something interesting, and you know, I like to mess with those stuff, so let's take a look. Well, there it is. 1997 work truck, long wheelbase. Ain't she a beauty? I just letting y'all take a little look at it. I mean, she's a dandy. And it comes with the rack and the toolboxes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Looky there. Looky there. Looky there. Man, let's take a look inside. Well, now, she's all there. Hey, the dash is not tore up. It has some nice handles. Look at there. 149, 513 on the clock. Brand new. Brand new. We're gonna see if we can get this old thing running and drive it back to the house. Well, we got the old thing running. We're going down the road shaking like crazy. The tires on it, like 10 years old, cracked all up. I mean, we easing down the road here. Last, it was licensed in 2017. Man, we got great oil pressure. We are pedaling it on toward the house, and we'll check it out when we get there. We got about 5 miles to go. It was a short haul. Let's see if it makes it.